What are some of the best platform options in the UK to invest your SIPs in? Best overall, AJ Bell, it comes in at 0.25%, got a strong name, good fund range. Other honourable mentions are Aviva, just charges the platform, also has financial advice attached to it, and Hardgoose Lansdowne, one of the largest platforms in the UK, coming in at the more expensive at 0.45%. Some of the more cost-effective options, Freetrade comes in at £9.99 monthly fee, and for an add-on you can put it for £7 for the Plus account. Interactive Investor starts at £12.99 for a SIP account, and also you get a free trade each month. Also on Interactive Investor, it has some of the kind of model portfolios, or where you can pick the 6 top funds, so it's quite good for novice ones. On the Robo Advisor, you have Money Farm, that has a portfolio management starting at 0.75, decreasing to 0.35, an investment cost of the funds around 0.2%. Suitable for those looking for ethical investments. Another one's a Nutmeg that has a few options on fixed allocation, smart betas. Funds cost around 0.2% to 0.14%, and the fixed allocation cost is 0.45%. For sophisticated investors, for the SIPs, you've got Saxo Markets, has more of an international. You can get over 50 global stock markets on there, 11,000 plus international stocks. Its portfolio cost is around 0.95%. It does decrease, and trading cost charges on the classic platform it's 0.1%, or a minimum of £8. Best overall we went for was Vanguard. Has a low cost of 0.15% to cap at 375 GBP. Has its own fund range. It normally has a cost of around 0.15% for some of the Vanguard own funds. Some of the restrictions are that it only has Vanguard its own ETFs, but if you're looking for a retirement or a hands-off approach, it does have their target-based investment funds. For more information, we'll put a link to blog at info@investmentforexpats.com.